Ladies and G's, today we are trying something new, something I've never tried before, something from Indonesia. So the reason why I chose this recipe today is because a friend of mine asked me to try it. And I believe it's best to try something at home before you try it at the restaurant or anywhere else. It's chicken satay, cucumber salad, white rice, and the peanut butter sauce. So, before anything else, let me clear something. I did not cut my chicken breast into smaller pieces, then put on skewers on purpose. I wanted the chicken to be as is, and I believe in cooking, there are no rules. So making this meal was very easy. And what I found uncommon was the peanut butter sauce because in South Africa we don't have it as a sauce, but it came out very nice and blended very well with the chicken. So time and again, I'm going to be trying out different recipes from different countries because I want to learn about different traditions of food. And you are more than welcome to let me know in the comments which recipe you want me to try next. I seasoned my chicken, then kept it in the fridge for an hour, but you can keep it overnight so that the flavors blend in very well. Then I moved over to my peanut butter sauce, which is made up of peanut butter, soy sauce, curry paste, honey, squeeze of lemon, and coconut milk. Then I cooked that on low heat until it was very smooth. And it was now time to dish this colorful, bright meal. This was very, very delicious. It was very nice. Please try it at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.